Hey, Dr. Frank Simoncini, the Flow Fixer, Southeast Valley Urology, Gilbert, Arizona. Coming at you live today. We're talking about Urofil and we're talking about side effects of long-term erectile dysfunction. What happens with erectile dysfunction long-term is you start losing the supporting structures. They retract backwards into the body. So you start losing length, you start losing girth. How do we restore the length? Is you put in, if you're having erectile dysfunction, we use a penile implant. That corrects your erectile dysfunction, and you're gonna get no more continued shrinkage of the penis. For girth, Urofil's king. Urofil's a filler. The group of us that do Urofil or that perform the Urofil procedure are all board certified urologists. We operate on penile anatomy every day. I've been doing penile implants for about 30 years now. There's a lot of low-hanging fruit out there, and this is a problem. You're having nurse practitioners and skin clinics doing penile girth enhancement that, who knows if they even know the anatomy. We as a group do this every day. We operate on penises. We put in Urofil for girth enhancement. We are well trained. We have a program that works superbly. It was developed by Dr. Paul Perito. Urofil's a game changer. That's what my patients' wives always ask for, more Urofil. Believe it or not, they do. It makes a difference. Better girth, better sexual enhancement. Come and see me at Southeast Valley Urology. I'll get you taken care of. Accept no substitutes. Only see a Urofil provider. I'm in Gilbert, Arizona. Dr. Frank Simoncini, the Flow Fixer. www.southeastvalleyurology.com.